Welcome to SIMS. Today topic is factorization of 2x square 7x plus 3, 2x square 7x plus 3. This is the factorization. First x square coefficient is 2, constant is 3. So 2 into 3, 6. So we'll take 6 in between 7. So that's why adjustment 1 into 6 is equal to 6. 1 into 6 is equal to 6. So total 1 plus 6 is equal to 7. So the adjustable in factorization 2x square plus 7x plus 3. If you will factorization, x square coefficient constant will multiply take 6. That 6 will adjustable in middle. So that's why 1 into 6 6, 1 into 6 7. So 1 into 6 6, 1 plus 6 7. So that's why 2x square plus 7x plus 13. So 2x square plus 6x plus 1x plus 3, not a 13, 3. So that's why adjustable 1 plus 6 plus 1 7. So that's why you can adjust it. So now 2x common, both are have 2x. So 2x will common. So taken only x have, and 2 into 3 6. So plus 3. 2x common, if you take 2x, x plus 3. So again 1 common, x plus 3. Because we can adjust to take factorization purpose. So x plus 3 you taken, remaining here x plus 3 already taken, so 2x have. Here x plus 3 already taken, only plus have, plus 1 have. So x plus 3, 2x plus 1 are factors of 2x square plus 7x plus 3. So that's why 2x square 7x plus 3 is equal to x plus 3 plus 2x plus 1 is a factor. Thank you for watching.